Welcome to Windsor Cay Resort, where luxury meets adventure, in the heart of Orlando, Florida. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of this pre-selling paradise, perfect for your next vacation home, or an incredible short-term rental opportunity. Windsor Cay Resort offers an impressive array of world-class amenities. Windsor Cay Resort offers luxurious 5-bedroom townhomes and expansive 5 to 10-bedroom single-family homes, each featuring private heated pools. Imagine basking in the Florida sun by the resort-style water park, complete with a zero-entry pool and a winding lazy river that promises relaxation and fun for all ages. For the adventurers, the water slides and children's splash pad offer endless excitement. But that's not all. Put your skills to the test with the 9-hole mini-golf course, or step into the interactive arcade room for games that will entertain the whole family. Rest easy knowing Windsor Cay Resort is a 24-hour man-gated community, providing security and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Schedule your private viewing today and take the first step towards experiencing a whole new level of vacation home ownership. For more details and to embark on this luxurious journey, call Susan at Fathom Realty on 407-259-6211. Remember to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive luxury Orlando vacation homes for sale.